Mr. Hill, who is also the chairman of the Subcommittee on Digital Assets, for 5 minutes.
Over the past few weeks, under Chairman Wagner's leadership, the subcommittee has examined ways Congress can help improve capital formation in the United States. We've investigated how expanding the definition of an accredited investor can help increase inclusion in the capital markets, and I'm proud to have sponsored legislation on that important topic and debate. We also have examined how to better direct venture capital and angel investors towards the backbone of America, entrepreneurs and small businesses, like the ones back home in Central Arkansas. Now comes the last piece of the puzzle, which is how do we increase access to the public markets? Public markets in the U.S. have moved further and further out of reach, with initial public offering levels declining each year. I would say parenthetically, without the help of the Emerging Growth Act work of the Jobs Act, that would be even a more despairing statistic. In fact, in the 4 decades I've been involved in investing in the markets, they're half the number of the public companies than there were when I started my career, which means fewer options for 401k plans, fewer options for union pension plans, fewer options for everyday investors who are looking for a good idea, and for people obsessed, and there are many obsessed in the government with exchange-traded funds, fewer options to go into an exchange-traded fund or into a mutual fund. Bottom line, that's not smart. It's not good for the U.S. The SEC's mission is to protect investors, maintain fair and orderly and efficient markets, and facilitate capital formation. The Commission's rulemaking has done nothing but hamper capital formation in this administration, and that hurts the everyday investor. If Chair Gensler wants to fulfill those core missions, then he should make it easier for companies to enter the public markets, not harder.